Hey guys, my dad has had a lifelong dream to pick up a used vehicle when his kid turns 15, spend a year rebuilding it so that his kid can drive it when he turns 16. I'm that kid, this is that vehicle, and we're going to tell you a little bit about it before we tear it down.
Hey, I'm Brandon.
Hey, I'm Ashton. This Jeep has a 2.5 liter engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. When we picked it up about 4 months ago, it had 61,000 miles on it, but it needed some work. We had to replace the master and slave cylinder of the clutch and the windshield because it had a big old hole in it.
And the muffler because we couldn't hear ourselves think.
Some of the things we need to address during the rebuild is the rust. There's some right here that goes directly into the driver's footwell. This fender needs to get replaced. And let's take a look at the other side. This fender also needs to get replaced. And this needs to get fixed. And last but not least is under the license plate, right here.
And the biggest hole is right here.
We're going to tear everything down to the frame and the axles. We're going to get it repainted. The body is going to get sent to a repair shop to get blasted and painted. And then we're going to get the body back and put it all back together.
All right. So this is a really big build that might take months. How do you feel about that?
I am nervous because it's going to take a long time. And I'm anxious because I don't know why I'm anxious.
And you're excited because?
This Jeep really does need to get fixed, and it's going to look good.
Okay.
So the same question, Ashton?
I'm excited about it because I'll be able to drive it and I'll be able to paint it any color I want, but it makes me a little nervous and anxious because I won't be able to hang out with my friends because I'll be working on this thing, and they'll understand that. But I'm also anxious just because I won't be able to play any video games while I'm doing it, and so, yeah.
What are some good things you think are going to come out of the experience of tearing a Jeep all the way down and putting it back together?
Well, just a father, son, brother bonding experience. I mean, we'll be able to grow closer as a family, and I'll be able to have a knowledge of how cars work and how cars work in the future. And I might be able to get a job as a mechanic or something, or just be like a mechanic for my family. And just whenever cars get broken down, when I have kids, I'll be able to fix them up without having to spend hundreds of dollars getting scammed and so on.
And Brandon, to you, what do you think are some of the good things that will come out of this project?
I'm planning on being an engineer as well. Experience and
what else? Anything else?
new tools you can learn about.
Okay.
Hey Ashton, what do you think we need to do first?
Well, Dad, I think we need to clean up the garage.
The garage? What about the Datsun?
Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I encourage you to comment down below and tell us what you think of the Jeep that we picked up. I also encourage you to smash that subscribe button so you can get notified of when we start tearing this thing apart. The next video is when we tear apart the front fenders and replace them with some aftermarket ones. Anyway, have a good day you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah.